Welcome to How to Do. Today, let's learn about the dateDiff function. A powerful tool to calculate the difference between two dates in Excel. First, what does dateDiff do? It stands for date difference. This function calculates the difference between two dates in years, months, or days. The basic syntax looks like this. Equal dateDiff open brackets, then start date comma, then end date comma, then unit close the brackets. Start date means the earlier date. End date means the later date. Unit means how you want the result. In years Y. Months M or days D. Let's try a few examples. Suppose the start dates is in column B. And end dates is in column C. I have used start date as January 15, 2024. And end date as May 1, 2025. To find the number of full years between them. Equal DATED if open brackets cell B10 comma. Cell C10 comma. Then within quotation mark Y. Then close brackets. For full months use M instead of Y and D for dates at the end of equation under unit. Here under result column you can see 1 year, 15 months, and 472 days. Want something more detailed? To find how many months are left after full years, use both EAM for unit gives result as months excluding years. In my example, result gives 3 months remaining after years. To get days remaining after full months, use both MD for unit gives result as days excluding months. In my example, result gives 16 days remaining excluding months. Use dateDiff to calculate age, experience, or service periods. It's super helpful in HR, finance, and project tracking. And that's the magic of dateDiff. A simple but very useful function when working with dates. Thanks for watching How to Do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips.